Hello friends. So today we are at the Shergarh Fort near Badora, near Khanpur town. So today we will explore the Shergarh Fort. So you first entrance of this fort, this built wall, and this is the first entrance. As you know, this is called the Shergarh Fort because in the Malwa campaign, Sher Shah Suri, who defeated the Humayun, also defeated the rulers of this fort. Earlier it was called the Koshvardhan. It means increaser of treasury. So at that time the area was very fertile. So it was called the Koshvardhan Fort. So this is the first gate. We will go inside. Then we will see the inside. So after we enter the fort, this was the first gate, and see the surrounding area near the first fort is the first gate. So these are the steps before the soldiers to go on the high wall, and this is the area built around the first gate. You can see there is a little Ganesha idol there situated near also. This might be the Nobat Khana, and this is the second gate at the 90-degree angle. For the security, these gates were built at the 90 degree so the enemy can't see inside. So this is the living fort. People are living inside. There are many inscriptions found here, and the temples and the reign of Parmaras were also found here. Many inscriptions from Vakpati to earlier rulers. You see the gates with big iron nails and big old gates. See. So in the fort, we see here temple which is called Thakurji Ka temple. So I will show you the outer surrounding walls. Here one idol is placed. See, painted with saffron color. These are the outer walls. As you see, on the front gate, two more sculptures are made. See here, one lady is offering the mala to Sant, and here also she is worshipping it. An inscription is found here. You can see goddess riding a lion here with the saffron color, and some inscription is here. It is written in the language, another languages. Perhaps this temple is repaired. So we will see inside. As you can see, these lines are placed at the main gate. It is the first time that I have seen such lines on the entrance gate with their trunk high in the sky. They are probably showering the flowers or the water. So as we go inside, this temple is locked. See inside with the good designs. See the roof of this temple. It is closed. Some people might be using it for their purposes. Here, God is sitting here. This is the main body of the temple. Here, and at the back side, this elephant head is created to get the water out of the sanctum of the temple. This is the Pradakshina Path. See, you can see the lotus there in this temple. So very nice temple, beautifully made, but not in use now. So this is the temple. Okay, let's go. On another side there is also some old structure. This one Haveli. See here, very beautiful chhatris located on the top, on the second floor. You can see it. But people are using this And see this people tree. All the branches are cut. Okay, let's go to the inside the fort. So this is one more temple. It is also not conserved. So in a dilapidated structure, it is also locked. The main gate is locked here. Earlier that was the Ram temple. Many old structures you can see here and there, they are occupied by the people. Many old structures are there in the fort. These are many temples built by the various kings in the chronology of their reigns in the fort. This too is a temple-like structure. Again, its sanctum is closed. And you can see one more temple there behind this house. So in the older buildings, here the inhabitants used them to live for themselves, and this is also a small Haveli type structure. It is also seen in the olden times. So as we reach towards the main housing area of the fort, these are the structures. Here also the old and worn out structures. This renovation work is going on this temple. Let us see what is there. So here is this Lakshminarayan temple. Renovation work is going on with the material. It was built earlier by the kings. So you can see. So the laborers are telling me to take the pose of that structure they made of these cans. So you can see different structures of the dancing girls or their different formats of dance in the different positions. It is covered. These walls are covered by these very beautiful structures, but they too are broken by some people. Very beautiful temple, and this too is renovated by the same material it was built. So you see their stones are laid here and there as we see it. There are some inscriptions. See, it is not safe to go while the renovation work is going on. See these two lines. This is the inscription you can see. It might be the Sanskrit or the other languages. One more inscription is here. See the sculptures at the base of this wall. And on this side also. See, Ganesha is standing and that lady. These ladies are in different formats. You can see these drawings for the playing are made here also. See the pillars inside the temple. These pillars are adorned with the various designs. See it. See the outer stones of the temple are beautifully carved with several human figures and the figures of the goddess and goats. See, they are also painted with lime. See the iron chain at the top of these idols, and here also standing idols here. Very beautiful step up made here. It is locked because renovation work is going on here. See, this renovation work is going on. Let me show you the broken pieces by the invading armies. These are the instruments for making the food. See this. So you can see various positions taken by the idols. And the sanctum's upper roof, very beautifully made at that time. Okay, now we will go to the another temples. So here we see another chhatri. Might be some king might be laying here, because in our culture these chhatris are made when somebody is laid here. See this elephant, and this one, how much beautifully they are made. This one also here, a man riding on a bird, and Ganesha with two of his wives. And this Shivlinga is placed there. This one is also renovated here. This is going outside the fort. These are the buildings broken by the time. See various buildings. This Nandi sitting here. See here. Can't see, I think. Various statues are worshipped here. You can see. Now you can see these. Oh, very beautiful statues there. Various broken statues are put here. See here. These are also worn out structures. It took thousands of years to build this fort. Again, this various idols are put in the walls. Here, see, they are put in the walls so they can be worshipped, because they were broken and thrown here and there. And this is the idol of some Mataji, built in two parts, riding on his vehicle. See, very beautiful sculpture, and that is, I think, Vishnu, laying a statue of Vishnu. So here we sum up this video here, then we will show it in the next episode. Okay, bye.